We are a worldwide leader in neuromodulation and cardiovascular solutions, dedicated to creating products and therapies that transform lives each and every day. You have been given VNS therapy because you have drug-resistant epilepsy. VNS therapy is beneficial for people whose medications aren't fully effective or have stopped working, or people whose medications have side effects that affect their daily lives. Use of the magnet is not necessary to receive VNS therapy. The magnet is an added benefit of VNS therapy that serves various functions that could include the following: starting an extra dose of stimulation to stop or shorten a seizure, decrease the intensity of a seizure, shorten the recovery period following a seizure. The magnet can be used for stopping stimulation to temporarily control side effects during certain activities such as public speaking. To temporarily stop stimulation, hold the magnet in place for at least 5 seconds. Once the magnet is removed, normal mode operation will resume. Sometimes the magnet is used to test or reset your VNS therapy generator by your healthcare professional. Two identical magnets are provided along with a wristband and a clip. When worn with the wristband, the magnet should be on the inside of your wrist. When you feel a seizure is about to start or during a seizure, you or a caregiver can place the magnet over the chest area where the generator is implanted. Pass the magnet over the generator for 1 to 2 seconds and then immediately remove the magnet from the area of the generator to activate an additional dose of stimulation. This stimulation is delivered after the magnet is removed. The magnet can be used more than once during a seizure. Using it more than once will not harm the patient or the generator. When using your magnet to temporarily stop stimulation, hold the magnet over the generator for more than 3 seconds if you have an Aspire SR implanted, or greater than 65 seconds if you have an older model such as Pulse. It is important to keep your magnet with you at all times. The magnet should be kept at least 25 centimetres away from credit cards, televisions, computers, microwave ovens, or other magnets. Do not drop the magnet. It can break if it falls on a hard surface. The patient magnet is the only magnet that should be used to either start or stop stimulation. It is safe to take your magnet through airport security. All magnets may lose their effectiveness over time. Contact your physician for information on how to get additional magnets. For more information, please visit vnstherapy.com or contact your doctor.